NCERT में जो आदरणीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट के और भारत की न्याय व्यवस्था के ऊपर जो उल्लेख हुआ था, ये अत्यंत चिंताजनक है। हमारे सामने ये जब संज्ञान में आया, हमने उसको तुरंत NCERT को सारी किताबों को विड्रॉ करवाया और इसमें जो आज माननीय न्यायपालिका ने, सर्वोच्च न्यायपालिका ने जो टिप्पणी दिया है वो हमारे लिए मान्य है। सरकार उसके प्रति दायित्ववान है, मैं उसके लिए खेद प्रकट करता हूँ। और NCERT की संबंधित व्यक्तियों के ऊपर कार्रवाई भी होगी और ऐसे परिस्थिति आगे ना बने उसकी सरकार चिंता करेगी।
The centre has apologised in the Supreme Court over the controversial chapter in a Class 8 NCERT textbook that referred to corruption in the judiciary. Appearing before the bench, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta tendered an unconditional and unqualified apology on behalf of the Ministry of Education. The government sought to contain the damage, but the Supreme Court was in no mood to soften its stand. Chief Justice of India, Surya came down heavily on the National Council of Education Research and Training. He said there appears to be a deep-rooted and well-planned conspiracy to defame the judiciary. He made it clear that responsibility will be fixed. In strong words, the CJI said heads must roll. He warned that no one will be allowed to go scot-free. The court also indicated that it may order the takedown of the objectionable excerpts. The row began after the top court took serious objection to content in the social science textbook titled Exploring Society, India and Beyond, Volume 2. The controversial portion appeared in Chapter 4, The Role of the Judiciary in Our Society. According to the court, the language used in the chapter crossed a line. NCERT responded by expressing regret. It said the inclusion of the material was unintentional and an error of judgment. The council stressed that it holds the judiciary in the highest esteem. It described the courts as the upholders of the Constitution and protectors of fundamental rights. But the apology did not prevent judicial scrutiny. The Supreme Court has now issued a show cause notice to the NCERT director and the school education secretary. They have been asked to explain why action should not be taken against them. This signals that accountability may not stop at a written apology. Meanwhile, the Ministry of Education directed that distribution of the textbook be put on strict hold. NCERT has compiled. Out of 2.25 lakh copies printed, only 38 were sold. The remaining over 2 lakh copies have been recalled and kept in inventory. Efforts are underway to retrieve the copies that were sold. From India's institutional lens, this episode goes beyond a textbook error. It touches the sensitive balance between academic content and respect for constitutional bodies. The judiciary has asserted its authority. The executive has responded with an apology. Now, the focus shifts to whether the court will initiate further action. At stake is not just a chapter in a school book. It is the credibility of public institutions and the responsibility that comes with shaping young minds. The Supreme Court has made it very clear. Accountability will follow.